Begin by making a straight stitch on the stitch line and coming out from the center. Now make a lazy daisy from this center point as the base. Come out a little ahead on the stitch line, go back into the base of the earlier lazy daisy, and come out from the tip of the first stitch, which is now the center. Make a lazy daisy. Continue with this process. So you can say this is a combination of the stem stitch and the lazy daisy stitch, where you are creating a lazy daisy after each stitch. This is a pretty one to work on botanical structures and to decorate sides and edges of a fabric. Let me know how you found this video. Thank you so much for watching.